Microsoft just made a move that's going to irritate a lot of people, especially anyone who uses Authenticator as their password manager. There is a stripping out passwords, storage, autofill entirely, and funneling everyone into Edge, built-in password manager instead. This isn't a small tweak. This is a fundamental shift in how Microsoft wants you to manage your digital identity. And if you care about personal digital sovereignty, this one of these moments where you stop, look at the pattern, and ask, why now? Let's break it down, shall we? Microsoft Authenticator has always been more than just a 2FA app. It's quietly become a lightweight password manager, simple, fast, cross-platform, and not tied to a browser. But Microsoft is now removing password storage, password sync, password autofill, password management IU, all of it. Going forward, Authenticator will only handle authentication codes and account verification. If you want password autofill, Microsoft says you should use Edge. Not you can use Edge. Not it recommends you use Edge, but you should. Let's be real. This is about consolidation. Microsoft wants one password ecosystem and they want it inside the browser. They control Edge and becoming the center of identity, sync, and cross-device continuity. Authenticator was a side door, and they're closing it. From Microsoft's perspective, this simplifies the product lineup. From the user's perspective, it removes choices. This is the same pattern we've seen across the industry. Google pushing password into Chrome, Apple pushing passwords into iCloud Keychain, Meta pushing identity into Facebook login. Identity is power, identity is lock-in, identity is revenue. Microsoft is simply tightening the ecosystem. People use Authenticator because it wasn't tied to a browser. It worked on Android and OS. It was lightweight. It didn't try to own the browsing habit. It wasn't bloated. Edge Password Manager is fine, but isn't browser dependent. If you use Firefox, Brave, Opera, or anything else, you lose the convenience you had with Authenticator. This is classic ecosystem funneling move, and users feel it. This is where things get interesting for PDSN viewers because when a company controls your browser, your identity, your sync, your password, your autofill, and your cloud storage, they effectively control your digital movement. Authenticator was one of those few Microsoft tools that didn't enforce ecosystem loyalty. Now it does by removing features instead of adding them. This is the opposite of centric design. This is ecosystem centric design. And it's happening everywhere. If you want to stay independent of a browser, block in, you have options. Bitwarden, uh, open source cross-platform, one password, premium polish, KeyPass, local, offline sovereignty, Dashlane, cloud-based, simple, Firefox Lockwise, built into Firefox. Or you can use Edge Manager. If you're already deep in the Microsoft ecosystem, but understand the trade-off. Microsoft isn't killing Authenticator, but they are killing one of its most useful features, and they are doing it to strengthen Edge's position in the identity market. This is the kind of move that seems small today but becomes massive over time. Passwords are the key to your digital life. Whoever controls them controls the door, and Microsoft just decided the door belongs to Edge. If you found this breakthrough helpful, hit the like and subscribe. Share it with someone who relies on Authenticator. Let me know if in the comments. Is this a smart move by Microsoft or another ecosystem lock in play? Or can Microsoft even make a smart move these days?